We all know how good riding in the day is, but how about riding at night? Well, with these new lights from Exposure, your riding time has just gotten a whole lot longer. It's everybody's dream to ride through the night with minimal difficulty seeing. Well, Exposure's made this dream a reality with their second to none handlebar or helmet mounted lights. The Joystick Mk14 and Axis Mk7 are two of Exposure's newest lights. They are both powered by ultra bright XPL2 LEDs, lasting up to 36 hours of continuous use. There are also 3 brightness settings, giving you more tunability to adjust to your conditions. The Axis Mk7 is the higher end of the two, and it is bright, coming with a whopping 1,150 lumens and weighing in at a mere 102 grams. I personally have been testing these lights out for a while now, and I only have good things to say about them. I never used to enjoy riding at night because of lights running out of charge and not being bright enough, but now this just isn't an issue. I can go for extended rides at night, and it's fun. The slightly lower end Joystick Mk14 produces 1,050 lumens and weighs in at 93 grams. It also has intelligent thermal management, meaning it won't overheat. When it all comes down to it, the value for money these lights offer is just too good to pass up. They are super bright, easy to use, and great quality. If you're looking for lights that are going to surpass all your expectations, head to pushys.com.au to check out the full range of Exposure lights.